Alrighty guys, so we're updating this rear third, fourth brake light and the reverse lights. Starting off with these LED replacements. I'm pretty sure I have halogen bulbs in there right now. This is probably one of the easiest things you can do on the second gen. Just go ahead and remove these 3 tabs right here, and you take this plastic piece off and you should be able to twist out the old bulbs and put in the new ones. So let's go ahead and do that. So you can see we just popped that off right there. So just 3 little pop clips, pull this out, and these little lights are just twist off this way. There we go, halogen bulbs are out. We're gonna go ahead and put the LEDs in. We'll just pull this bulb out and this one pops right in. Yep, that's pretty much it. I mean, you can see right there they're the same size and everything. Not much to it at all. It's sturdy. We go ahead and put this back in there. Right, perfect. And let's go ahead and see if there's a good comparison between the new and the old. Alright guys, all set. Everything's back in. And pretty soon we're gonna get the middle lights, so I will see you once we get that. I'll sort it out. Alright guys, what is up? So I've got this 4th brake light in today. iJDMtoy lighting, exclusive 4th brake light for the 2022 and up BRZ or GR86. This is gonna slot right into here, which is just an empty spot in the little reverse section here of the car. There's a ton of tutorials on this already, so I'm not gonna go step by step. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys the before, which is right now. You can see the only thing that's lit up on the car with the parking lights or the headlights is the 2 little brake lights and nothing else. So we don't have the 3rd brake light and we don't have anything on in the reflector below. So hopefully by installing this, that's gonna go ahead and turn on. Before I go ahead and install this, we might as well open up the packaging and see what's inside. So this came inside of a paper bag, you know, regular shipping bag, and I got a box, and we've got some instructions in here. Which I guess is pretty straightforward. It's, you can actually see that it's the old Gen BRZ, so we might not even need that. Here's the actual wiring harness and the light itself. Pretty cool. So yeah, this should act as a running light and also as a brake light, so that's nice. LED is always good. The connectors, again, tutorial. I might go ahead and talk about it in this video, but I'm gonna go ahead and install it on my own. And got some of these clips. I'm sure it's for the wiring, and a hole saw, which is going to be for the actual housing, because like I said, there's no brake light in there or anything. We're gonna have to make our own hole, which honestly should be pretty easy. So again, let's go ahead and get to it. So 10 millimeter right there. So 10 millimeter. So I got the little bulb inside of the stock reverse light, fourth brake light housing. I got it nice and flat. It's a little twisted, but I don't think it matters since it's an LED. The light's gonna disperse well enough. I did have to trim a little bit because my hole was super off and crooked. So I only trimmed on one side since my hole was a little bit closer to the top. But you know, with the twisting and whatnot, I don't know how this worked out, but just the side that was not trimmed ended up fitting perfectly. So yeah, you know, you just gotta mess with it. Don't be afraid to, you know, cut into this little harness or whatever, this little bulb. Yeah, there we go. It's gonna be sitting like this, and it's not coming out at all. Sits good. So now I guess the difficult part is going to be connecting it to the taillight housing. So let's go ahead and do that. All right guys, so we went ahead and wired the lights in. There's a video on FT Speed about how to wire these lights. So I literally just followed that word by word. I ordered the posit taps off of Amazon using Kevin's link. So got that taken care of. I think I'm just gonna wrap electrical tape around here so it's not like so floppy. So we'll finish that up and I will show you how it looks. We already tested it out and it looks awesome. So yeah, let's go ahead and see how that looks. Alright guys, so check it out. We got the BRZ here at night, just so we can see the fourth brake light and the new reverse lights a little bit more clearly. So the cool thing about this is that it's connected to the DRLs as well as the brake lights. So whenever you open or unlock the car, you get that sick glow there from the third brake light. And it's bright, man. It looks really cool. It's getting a nice little walk around so you can see it's pretty visible from all angles. Definitely more dominant than the stock taillights. car is pretty much full LED now, so everything from the back, everything in the interior, the doors have those little LEDs on there. The front came stock with LEDs, so the only thing I switched out was the little side markers for the JDM ones. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know what you guys think, and if you're gonna end up doing this to your BRZ or 86. Huge shout out to Kevin Vogue, because without his video I don't think I ever would have put this on, because honestly car wiring, especially on a new car, is a little bit scary. But dang man, for 35 bucks I don't think it gets any better than this. You know, it looks super clean on the car. I've gotten a lot of compliments on it already. I've only had it for a few days and I really think it looks amazing. So yeah guys, like, comment, subscribe. I've got a lot of stuff coming for the BRZ pretty soon. I'm really loving the platform, you know. So yeah, let me know what you guys want to see next. If you have a BRZ yourself and you have any questions, feel free to hit me up on Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook. You know, I've got all those social medias. And let's get talking about the platform, guys. I guess I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.